Hi everyone, we are Team Meridian and we have built Atlas. Atlas is an autonomous legal entity AI. Atlas is a dashboard for managing an AI operated business entity. The idea is simple. Instead of a human manually tracking every sale, expense, treasury movement, worker task, and operational decision, Atlas brings everything into one intelligent control center. On the top, we have the main business status. The system shows whether the business is open or closed, and we can resume or pause customer sales using the business control button. When the business is closed, the customer purchase and the sale revenue are paused, and Atlas clearly shows an operational warning. Below that, we have the manual control area from where we can trigger a weather or Oracle update, and we can manually trigger an AI CEO. In a live environment, this CEO can make business decisions automatically, but this button is useful for demos and testing. When an action happens, Atlas displays the latest operational result. For example, if customer buys lemonade, the result panel shows how many cups of lemonades were sold, how much revenue was gathered, and updated the treasury balance. Next, we have the analytics data filter. This lets us view business performed by today, yesterday, last 7 days, this month, and the last month. The important part is that all dashboard metrics update dynamically based on the selected set of range. Now let's look at the API key cards. The treasury balance card shows the current balance of the business. It also gives quick access to the ledger and the treasury transaction actions. The net profit loss card shows whether the business is profitable for the selectable period. The revenue expense card compares money coming in versus money going out. The price per cup card shows the current selling price of the cup of the lemonade. The investment card tracks non-sale deposits or incoming funds, and the market status card shows whether the market is currently open or closed. Now let's look at the ledger section. The ledger section shows the total credits, total withdrawn, inventory costs, worker payouts. The transaction data range shows the analyticals for the timelines of today, yesterday, last 7 months, this month, and the last month. Now we have next the transaction sections. From here, we can deposit the fund or we can withdraw the funds. Below the KPI cards, we have the AI CEO operation desk. Shows the latest decisions made by the autonomous agent. It includes the current action state, the reason behind the action, and the expected financial impact. This makes the AI behavior more transparent instead of feeling like a black box. Beside the AI CEO operation desk, we have the raw inventory level that shows the amount of inventory is present, and it also includes the market oracle weather that shows the weather of the market. Next the dashboard also includes the visual analytics like treasury balance evaluation and decision impact crisis. These help users quickly understand whether the business is growing, losing money, or being affected by the recent AI decisions. Finally, the Atlas includes operational modules like the decentralized job board, activity logs, and the transaction history. These are designed so the system can later connect to the real API, smart contracts, or backend services while currently using mock and local data where needed. So, in summary, Atlas is an AI powered business command center. It combines treasury management, analytics, operational controls, autonomous decision making, and transaction visibility in one professional dashboard. Our goal is to show how an autonomous legal entity could manage business operations with transparency, control, and real time financial awareness. Thank you.